In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to load the source code that accompanies each of the videos for the Begin 2 C# for First Time Programmers workbook and video series. First of all, if you unzip the file and left the default locations as you are unzipping, you should now have a Begin 2 folder under your C drive. You'll note that whenever you look at this folder that there are a number of WMV files. These are the actual video files, and there's also a folder called code. If you open the code folder, you'll see a number of additional folders that are used for each of the projects that we demonstrated during the course of the videos. Let's say, for example, that you want to open up and view the code that was used on Lesson 10. All you would need to do is go to that folder, double-click to open it, and then either double-click the SLN file or the proj file, the CSPROG file. If you were to just double-click the lesson10.sln file, it'll open up VisualStudio.net with that project loaded into the Solution Explorer. You can then look through the project at your will. You can change anything you want to about it. If in the future you want to overwrite your changes that you made, then all you need to do is just unzip the file that you downloaded from LearnVisualStudio.net. So I hope this helps, and I wish you good luck as you begin to learn more about C#. Thank you.